What is up, everyone, and this is MotoCharles here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the procedure entry point could not be located in the dynamic library link error that you may be getting, right? So this is like a weird one where once you find what this is, either the first part of the tutorial, you find the actual error and then kind of go from there to resolving that, or you do a second step, which I'm going to show, which will hopefully fix the error in general, because that fixes a lot of errors. So the first thing you want to do is go to your search bar and type in event viewer until you see this pop up. This is essentially a Windows program, let's just call it, that shows you all of the events that have happened, and it gives you a time frame. So you can technically find the error over here and then try to get to that error to fix that basically for you, right? So you can see like kernel event tracing. Like this is where you'll have to dive a bit deeper to figure out what that error was and how to essentially fix that. If like kind of going down this route and it doesn't fix for you, the next thing you want to do is go to your search bar again, type in command prompt cmd and run as administrator. And basically just write sfc /scan now to let this process run. Is going to take some time to basically run from 0 to 100%. Once this is fully done, restart your computer. This error should essentially go away and you should be good to go. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like the video, please smash it up. Guys in the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and I'm MotoCharles out. Peace.